My name is Tane, commonly known as Snow, and my role is General Manager of Te Roroa Development Company. So we have currently, at this particular point in time, we have Te Roroa, which is predominantly a project targeted to restore the whenua from weed burden. We also have Ora, which is a iwi collaboration with Ngāti Wai, Ngāti Kuri and with Te Roroa, and it's focused on battling Kodi dieback, but also increasing the capacity of our people on the ground. We also have Te Toa Whenua. Te Toa Whenua is a restoration project where we are actively restoring 900 hectares of what was previously Pinus radiata back into native. And then we have our nursery, so we're actively growing our own plants from our own sources, and we're using that to repatriate back into our areas where we've been sort of restoring the land. I've been lucky enough to hear the stories from our old people of what this place was like, 80 to 100 years ago. They talked about the manu being so prolific, it was like a cloud, kukupa flying around in the forest. I've heard the stories of being able to catch snapper right up the river. The food was prolific. There was, you could go out into the ngahere, you could get your tāwhara, your pātangatanga, you could get your middleberries, your karaka. The rivers were so crystal clear and clean, and the whenua was thriving. So Jobs for Nature has allowed us to do several things. One, it's allowed us to actively take action against weed burden, against pests that are out there, possums mainly, mustelids, that sort of thing, pigs as well. So it's allowed us to battle those tai-ao concerns that we have. More importantly, it's allowed us to build capability and capacity amongst our people, and especially our younger ones. Our focus with Jobs for Nature was to, one, give them the ability to work on the land, two, to teach them some skills, to put that appropriate training into place. Three is to, from that training, we're building an intergenerational task force, as you can call it, to battle this, because we know that the challenges now is going to take many years for us to see it back into where it was, say, 50 to 100 years ago. Ko au te ngahere, ko te ngahere ko au.